Meron na po itong Christmas ham na 170 pesos. And then yung spaghetti, which is the spaghetti noodles and the spaghetti sauce. So the noodles is 30 pesos. This is all from, again, we got this from the price guide. Dito lang kami nag-base. So the 30 pesos for the noodles and the 48.50 for the sauce. 48 pesos and 50 centavos. So a total of 78.50 for the spaghetti. Ngayon for the macaroni salad, we have the macaroni noodles, 40 pesos and 95 centavos. The mayonnaise is 55 pesos and the cheese is 56 pesos and 50 centavos. So a total of 152 pesos. Tapos kung you also want fruit salad for this, actually we made 3 options eh. But you can, of course, you can make many options, no? So for this, we had also fruit salad. So the fruit cocktail, which is 61 pesos and 75 centavos, and the all-purpose cream, which is 36 pesos and 50 centavos, which is a total of 98 pesos and 25 centavos. And then plus the Pinoy Pandesal of 27 pesos and 75 centavos. So this is 10 pieces. So total of 526 pesos and 95 centavos. So dito namin siya kinuha. Ngayon, if you want a Noche Buena handa na isa lang ang salad, meaning mamimili lang tayo, no? Macaroni salad or fruit salad, mababawasan po ito ng dito sa macaroni salad, mababawasan siya ng 152 pesos and 45 centavos. So, we are complete. Wait, hold on. I'll get my other list. Spaghetti, macaroni salad, Pinoy Pandesal. So, ang total nito is 428 pesos and 70 centavos. Ito po siya.